Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. It is the complaint that has been challenged by accused numbers 5 and 8 in this petition. Stop. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioners would challenge the complaint on the ground that no notices were either issued or served on the petitioners who are arrayed as accused numbers 5 and 8 respectively in the complaint. Stop. Inasmuch as no notices have been issued, the petitioners had no opportunity for making payment of the amount as demanded by the respondent oblique complainant in the notice. Stop. Therefore, the complaint against the petitioners is not sustainable and is liable to be rejected. Stop. In this connection, the learned counsel would rely upon a judgment of this court made in CROP number 9530 of 1998 dated July 7, 1999, wherein this court quashed the complaint against the accused who were not served with the notices under section 138 within bracket B of the Negotiable Instruments Act, hereinafter called the Act. Stop. Para. On the other hand, learned counsel appearing for the respondent would submit that as per section 138 within bracket B of the Act, no individual notice is contemplated to be issued against all the directors. Stop. All that the section requires is only a notice to be issued to the drawer of the check. Stop. In case the offence is committed by the company, a notice shall be issued to the drawer of the check, namely the person who actually issued the check on behalf of the company and to the company. Stop. The said section does not mandate the complainant to issue the notice to all the directors. Stop. Therefore, it cannot be contended that merely because no notices had been issued to the petitioners who have been arrayed as accused numbers 5 and 8 respectively. Stop. The complaint itself is not sustainable. Stop. In this connection, learned counsel would heavily rely upon the judgments. Stop. Therefore, learned counsel seeks for the dismissal of the petition. Stop. In view of the rival submissions, the question that has to be decided is as to whether a notice as contemplated under section 138 within bracket B of the Act is necessarily to be issued to all the directors when the offence is said to have been committed by the company and the petitioners who are the directors of the company can be prosecuted in the absence of such notices. Stop. In order to consider the above question, it would be relevant to extract section 138 within bracket B of the Act, which reads as follows. Stop. Over.